How's it going, boys? So in the following video, I want to go ahead and explain to you guys how to use the PeniMaster properly. From my videos, I'm seeing that a lot of people still haven't figured out how to use the PeniMaster properly. You guys are trying to use it and you're saying that it's slipping off sometimes, not gripping properly, and that's due to the fact that you're not really adjusting it to your needs and you're not really using it properly. Now, after using it for almost 8 months now, I learned a lot of tricks. I wasn't using it properly at the beginning too. So I want to make a video, combine everything I learned in just one video so that you can just watch this 10-minute video and you learn everything you need to learn about using the PeniMaster penis extender properly. Now, first things first, you really got to understand your size before you start to use the PeniMaster. Now, as you can see, there are different colors of rubbers. Now, the blue is for the biggest and the green is the smallest, and I'm medium. I'm basically using the white or the beige. Now, depending on your size, you need to choose the proper rubber size and replace it. Now, there are videos that show exactly how to replace all the rubbers here that are on the PeniMaster website, so you really have to wash them. It's just like a couple of minutes that they teach you how to put the rubbers on this head. However, the rubbers by themselves are not enough. So what you also need to do is you need to understand which opening will fit you the best. So as you can see, I kind of adjusted the opening here of this part, and you can adjust it further. So you can add a couple of pieces that will sit on this part. I'm not gonna take it off right now, but you can add those two pieces in order for you to make the opening smaller. So if you're having an issue that the PeniMaster is basically not holding properly on the head of your penis, sometimes it's because the head of your penis is too small for the opening. So if that's the case, you need to adjust the opening size, and you do that by using those extra parts that are provided with the PeniMaster. As you can see, I changed it a little bit, so I made it a little bit smaller. This way the grip is much stronger. You prevent air from going out from the vacuum, and in this way you can adjust this chamber to the head of your penis properly. So there are two parts. First, the rubber, again, depending on the head of your penis, and you really have to kind of guess, like if the head of your penis is small or medium or large. You can also experiment with that. You can try different rubbers and different openings to see which one works best for you. But do not just take the device as it was assembled when you got it at first and try to use it immediately, because maybe it's not going to be the right fit for your penis. Now, secondly, and something you have to use all the time, is you have to get those antiseptic wipes that basically remove all the bacteria, and you're going to use them pretty much every day in order for you to clean this thing, because you use it and it gets dirty and you have to really clean it. So you use those napkins and you basically clean it from the inside and clean it all around. So that's something you have to do all the time. And this is by far the easiest way, because those napkins remove all the bacteria from around this thing, and you can also use it to clean the device in general. Now, another thing, you're going to need spare parts. So as you can see, I ordered a bunch of lubes here. I also have a bunch of spare parts, rubbers that I also ordered, just in case one of those rubbers will get torn apart. Now, I haven't had that issue yet, mainly because I have really short fingernails and I'm very careful when I'm replacing those parts. I had to replace them only once since I bought it. So this lasts me for months and months. Like one pair would last me for many months. Also the lube, as you can see, I'm reaching the end of it and I still haven't opened the new ones that I bought, and I'm using it for months. So those things last for a really long time, but it's better to keep some extra just in case you need them. Another thing that you need to keep with you and you need to use all the time is basically this kind of measuring tape. And it's very important, because if you don't measure your progress, you're not going to see what's going on. You're not going to see if you're making progress or not. For me personally, it was very motivating to see the progress that I was making, and I wouldn't have noticed it unless I measured it. So make sure that you measure your size before you ever use this device, and you measure it pretty much every month when you use it. And in this way, you can write down exactly the results that you're getting. However, it's very important to make sure that when you're measuring yourself, be sure that you are as hard as possible, because the strength of the erection matters in terms of your size. So you might think that you're not really gaining size, but that's due to the fact that your erection was not strong at that point. And only when your erection is really strong, that's when you're going to see the actual results that you gained. Next tip, and I mentioned it in previous videos, is using a knee wrap. Now, I personally really prefer using the belt, so I use this stretching belt to stretch my penis. But in order for me to make it more comfortable and in order for me to make it not move around, I will wear this knee strap. However, I would wear it under my knee. So I wouldn't wrap my knee with it, I would wear it on my leg, and then on top of this, I will wear the belt. And in this way, the belt would move less and it will be much more comfortable to wear it for longer periods of time. So another small hack that I use, especially when wearing the device to make it more comfortable and to allow myself to wear it longer, is I will use those dual pouch boxers or boxer briefs. So those boxer briefs from Sheath Underwear, and it's by far the most comfortable boxer briefs that I've ever tried, and they're very healthy for your penis in general, and I'm going to tell you exactly why and why you should wear them if you're using this device. So those boxer briefs come with two pockets. So the first pocket is basically for your balls, if you can see it here, and the second pocket is for your penis. Now, in general, those are amazing boxers, but the way I use them is I would get my penis out from this hole, okay? And on top of this, after wearing the boxers, then I will use this penis extender. So I'll use this device after wearing the boxers, and in this way, it will create a barrier between this plastic and my body. This way, it's making it more comfortable. And it's also more comfortable to actually be wearing an underwear when you're wearing the device. I don't know about you, I can't really move around if I'm not wearing an underwear. Maybe you're more comfortable in that than me, but I personally prefer to be wearing an underwear. And in this way, it's making wearing the device much more comfortable, and that allows me to wear it for a longer periods of time. So I'm gonna leave links for everything that is mentioned in this video in the description below. So I'm gonna leave links for the PeniMaster and for those boxers. I'm gonna also try and find this specific knee wrap in order for you to get it maybe on Amazon. It's pretty cheap, I don't know, it was like 10 bucks maybe, but it's really a game changer because it makes wearing the device so much more comfortable, and in return you can wear it for much longer and get better results using this device. Last tip that I want to mention, I've mentioned it in previous videos, is when you do pump your penis, when you do vacuum your penis or the head of your penis inside this chamber, do not try to pull it immediately. So first of all, you gotta vacuum it in and then wait a couple of minutes for the head of your penis to actually expand and hold everything in place. Now, after you waited a couple of minutes, then you can go ahead and attach the belt and stretch it. And in this way, it's going to be already very secure in place. It's not going to slip out, and it's going to be much more comfortable since the head of your penis already expanded and it's holding only from the head of your penis and not from the skin surrounding it. So those are all the hacks and tricks that I learned throughout using this device for many months. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you leave it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any other hacks regarding the PeniMaster or any other penis stretcher, I'd really love to hear from you in the comments. Maybe I'm going to learn something from you as well. And in any ways, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.